Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate with Hershey's syrup. First, you'll need just a few simple ingredients to get started on this delicious treat. Grab your favorite mug, some Hershey's chocolate syrup, and your preferred milk. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect cup every time. Let's get mixing. Now, let's combine our main ingredients. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of rich Hershey's chocolate syrup to your mug or saucepan. Next, carefully pour in 8 ounces of milk. Stir this mixture well, ensuring the syrup is completely incorporated into the milk. This step is crucial for a consistently chocolatey flavor throughout your drink. With your chocolate milk mixture ready, it's time to heat it up. You can microwave it for about 60 to 90 seconds, or gently warm it on the stovetop over medium heat until it's steaming but not boiling. Give it another good stir before serving. Feel free to customize your hot chocolate with toppings like whipped cream or mini marshmallows for an extra special touch. There are many ways to make your hot chocolate uniquely yours. Try using different milk alternatives like almond or oat milk for a new twist. A tiny dash of vanilla extract or a pinch of sea salt can really elevate the chocolate flavor. Enjoy your warm, comforting beverage, perfect for any time of day. And for other great deals, including the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.